Irwin tools have some of the biggest brands on the marketplace today. Record, Marples, Vise-Grip, Jack. Irwin itself have some fantastic products. And I've got a kit here that's going to blow you away. I brought Andy in to show him some of this kit because I know he's a bit of a tool geek, and he's going to really get excited about this because this is something that we've never seen on the marketplace in this type of quality. This is the Irwin toolkit, Andy.
Well, I can't wait to see what's inside this, Nigel. Shall we? The box looks impressive. Shall we get straight into it?
You will. You'll be absolutely amazed what's in here. Top quality products. So you open the top up. Let's get rid of all the packaging. And it's absolutely jam-packed full when we absolutely start. So I'm going to get out something that you need if you've got a toolkit. You need to put it in a nice big tool bag. Look at that. Straps, carry handle, metal frame. This opens out and this will actually hold all the tools in this kit as well. So you can take it on the site, keep it in your job area. Top quality.
That's a great start because I see a lot of tradesmen using that one. Well, hang on, let me get in. What have we got here? What have we got with this one? Fantastic. That's a set of 6 of the famous 6X bits in the lockable storage case. That is a cracking set on its own. What else have you got, Nigel?
Well, 6X market leader, we go straight to a Marples chisel set. In a case, Velcro, 3 of your best-selling chisels, striking caps on there, safety handles, 1/2 inch, 3/4 and 1 inch, 3 of the most popular, all tucked away. That's a kit on its own.
Cool, lovely. And I can see something down here, what I'm hoping for, yes. It's a set of the multi-bits. Now these originate from the another Irwin brand, Duran, which are world leaders in drill bits. These have been developed to drill through every type of material, whether it's tile, wood, brick, metal, and you can use them with your cordless drill. There's a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in there, from 4mm right up to 12mm in the little robust carry case.
That's probably the only drill bit you're going to probably want to need. Another useful bit of kit in there, look at that. 8-piece T-handled hex key set. You've got nice long blades on there, a variety of sizes, and also you've got the short one on there for very tight access. So you've got another 8-piece of hexagon keys in there.
That is a cracker. Oh, I've seen something expensive in there. Look at that, it's a proper Irwin record block plane. Just looking at that, I'm loving that. Fantastic, that's great. It's got the brass knobs on it. You can have a look at that. I've got one of them at home. They're fantastic, absolutely. Fine grain, end grain work, laminates. A lot of carpenters and builders use those on site, kitchen fitters. So many people have that, and that is one of the best ones around. That is a cracker.
Well, if you're using a lot of wood and you want to do things like planing and cutting, what you're going to need is some clamps. These are the XP market leading clamps, 250 kgs of pressure, big wide jaws. And we've not just got one, there's actually a pair of those in there. That's top of the range, top quality clamps. 2 of those in there, they're in your kit as well.
Fantastic. And while we're talking clamping, okay, one of the oldest tools around and one of the tools that everyone wants, genuine record Irwin G clamps. And these are the most popular ones. These are the 4-inch ones. Look at those. It's got precision engineering. I love these. I remember when I was doing engineering at college, they'd only have the record ones because look, the swivel in there, beautifully machined. These are fantastic, and you see these in workshops everywhere, and there's 2 of those, and they are absolute cracker. They're the heavy duty 120 series ones as well. They're not the lightweight ones. These are the industrial ones, and they're beautifully finished as well. Just take a look at them. I want to put those down there. They are crackers.
We've also got in there the unique Irwin bolt grip set. These are ideal for removing any fixings that you may have where you've rubbed off the angles. Yeah. You know, if you get there's always one screw that you just can't get out. This is a set that gets you out of trouble. Put it on your machine, it grips the thing on the reverse, it actually bites into the metal, brings them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes in there, and a little storage case as well. So once it's out of the packaging, fold it away neatly. You won't lose those items either.
Well, that is a really popular set, especially all the stud work that goes on nowadays. What have we got in here? I don't know what we're pulling out. Oh, look at that. A Vise-Grip Twin Pack with the rubberised grip handles. I mean, these are cracking sets. So what have we got here? You got your standard 10-inch there with a curved jaw. These are genuine Vise-Grips. These aren't the imitations you see on the market. This is market leading stuff. And then you've got the little fine needle nose one there for getting into all sorts of restricted areas. And I'll tell you what, you use that. I've got one of those in my toolkit.
Really handy.
You use that all the time. So whether you're a plumber, mechanic, or you're working on site with the nuts and fixings, that is I'll tell you what, that is a great
for gripping stuff if you're cutting or
twin pack. Straight in there. I'm going to put that one down the front because just take a look at that. And there's more.
Look at that as well. You're getting a full size 12-inch, 75 kilo tension on the blade, hacksaw on there. Full handle, tension, hand grip, hacksaw. And no hacksaw would be complete without some spare blades. We've even got some spare blades in there for your hacksaw. That's another great bit of kit.
I'll tell you what, there's still stuff inside. We're still going. What we got here? Right, saws. Okay, Irwin, Jack. Okay,
market leaders.
Everyone knows about them. Absolutely right, Nige. Market leaders. A great little universal toolbox saw on here. Cuts all sorts of wood for you. Let's take that off.
Wow, look at the teeth on that.
Oh no, that's triple ground toothing. So no expense has been spared here. So that cuts on the front stroke and the back stroke, and it cuts really quickly because you've got the special gullets. Just look at the engineering in that blade. On a saw. I'm going to put that sleeve back because that is as sharp as you like, and we don't want to cut on here. Right, look, and it's got the soft grip handle on there, and it's the big full-sized handle to take a gloved hand. So that is, in fact, actually, I might have that after we finish this. Yes.
As you said earlier, that Vise-Grip twin pack. Look what we got here. Everyday use, combination pliers. Not only have they put top quality products in here, they put things you're going to need as well. Vise-Grip. Full range of pliers available on the marketplace. This is probably one of their most popular. The 7-inch combination plier, that's in everybody's toolkit, that's in this toolkit.
That's an everyday product. And
it's still going. It's still going.
What's that? Oh, fantastic. You got that, what's that, a 10-inch groove lock plier. Okay, look, just push a button and adjust, and you get a massive jaw capacity on that. As you can tell, I'm familiar with this because I've got one of these. Handles. It has got the soft grip, vice grip handles, the vice, you know, if it's cold or whatever, but the comfort and control and the power that you can get on that, as you can see, it's sprung loaded steel there, it's precision engineered. I'm just looking at the grooves. I don't know if you can come in there close on the camera. This is absolutely, oh, I'm loving that. That is such a popular line. I mean, the plumbers, the amount of these you see on site with the plumbers, that's a cracker.
Great addition, great addition. And look at this, we've even got a really brand new folding knife. This has got a folding capacity, so you can fold it away so it's nice and safe. It's got a belt clip, but also with Irwin, you've got the bi-material blades on there, which are 3 times sharper than a standard blade. You've got those in there. Also, I don't know whether you can just see that little feature on there. This is a really clever little knife. It's got a screwdriver bit in there. Get me out of trouble. This is a great bit of kit.
That is clever.
I don't think I've seen one of those with all those features on before. Really nice weight as well. That's full quality, and the bimetal blades. That's in your kit. Anything else, Andy?
There is, and something that no toolkit should be without. Last but by no means least, we'll just get rid of that for a second.
Pop that down now.
Take a look at that. It's the Irwin 8 metre, 26 foot professional tape measure. It's got the rubberised grip all the way round, so it's nice and firm. If you drop it, it's not going to break. It's got, what's that?
Magnets on the end as well.
And it's got the anti-glare, It's got the anti-glare coating on there as well. Fantastic. Look at that, double-sided measuring. How often do you have to roll your tape to try and take a measurement? Not with that.
You can go both sides.
Yeah, look at, so look at all that lot. We've made a right mess with that.
This is a toolkit. This is a toolkit that anybody would want.
I'll tell you what, your previous sample, when it's all in the stuff, look, take a look. I'm just about to lift that. Both sides, a toolkit that any tradesman would be proud of from Irwin. That is an absolute stunner. And if you don't want this one, Nige, I can find home for it.
Well, to be fair, I mean, it's not just for the trade as well, but if you've got somebody who's keen on their kit and you wanted a really nice present, I mean, you know, we're talking about top quality stuff here. Yeah. This is not a cheap toolkit. You see a lot of cheap toolkits, you know, in various different retail outlets, you know, $49.99, $29.99, but it's not product. This is genuine quality products. Look at all this lot. All of that fits in your tool bag. Why would anybody not want that?
What, mate,
we're going to be fighting over that one. We're going to be fighting over this one.
Absolutely. There you have it, from Irwin, 45-piece toolkit.